Right, just a quick video on how to make I suppose a light, a lantern, whatever you want to call it, for in your, say in a hammock or something like that. This would be perfect for hanging underneath a tarp. But you don't need a massive amount of light, but you might just need a little bit. So you're going to need, the main thing is one of these, it's a bottle light. And it's like a string of lights, and the end part is like a cork. And it fits in most normal sized bottles. And it works off 3 of these little batteries. Which shoot out when you open the thing up. Right, so what you're going to want to do is get the smallest bottle you can get. You can get a big one, but it's only going to take up space. So you want to use the smallest bottle you can get, what this cork will fit into. So that's a small, it's one of those kind of pump bottles. So like that, you're going to need a cable tie and a piece of string. But the first thing I'm going to do is just put the end of my cable tie in, ready to tighten it up, and I'm going to put the piece of string each side and hold it, and then tighten this cable tie round it. That just makes kind of a little holder for you. You don't have to do this. If you was going to do this where all you was going to do was stand this up, you know, just lay it down like that, and you don't need to do this. But if you wanted to do this so you could hang it, then you want to do something like this with a cable tie. So that's basically all it is. That's that. Then cut off your excess of your cable tie. Then all you got to do with your lights is find the end, unravel it. If you could get it in one piece, you could, you know, just like that. You wanted to squeeze it in and just ram it in, but it always seemed better if you undo them. Unravel it, and then what you do is you just feed it, feed all that wire into the bottle. Like I said, you could do this with a big bottle, but it's only going to take up space. Or you could, if you used a clear bottle when you go out, just carry one of these with you, the light, and then if your bottle's empty, well, apparently these are waterproof, but anyway, you won't want to put this in your drink. If the bottle's empty and you want to use it as a lantern, you could just put this inside, and when you're not using it, pull it back out again and wind it back up and put it away. There's quite a bit of wire on these ones. Depends, you can get different size ones. You can get ones with 10 lights, ones with 20 lights on each one, I think, or, you know, different sizes. So just keep ramming that all in. Once you get near the end, you then just push that in there like that. And there it is. You've got a little light in a bottle what you can hang off of things. We'll go outside in a minute and try it in the dark. And I suppose if it comes to it, you could use that bottle for whatever else, you know, if it comes to an emergency. Right, we'll go outside and we'll have a go with it. If you hang that up somewhere, that'll definitely give you a fair bit of light. It's hard to see in there, but that will give you a bit of light, especially under a tarp or whatever. And that would cost you about the total of, I don't know, I'm sure they can get these for about 10 quid, 10 for 10 quid on Amazon and that. And your bottle, you know, and your cable tie you can just get from anywhere. Right, cheers for watching, I'll see you later.